Whoa, a 9.8A. Welcome to Picking and Punching. I am the Scoundrel Rob Grimes. I'm an independent professional wrestler, also modern day treasure hunter. And today we got another graded box of video games from Wata Games. We actually sent this in last July, I think. And I think it's maybe 8 games or so, 8 or 9 games. Now, give you a little background. I have not looked at the grades on these. It's been killing me inside. I want to make sure I'm surprised. Part of the whole fun of this for me is actually opening it up and being surprised. I feel like a kid in a candy store. I feel like opening up boxes of sports cards as a kid. All right, so we did send these Turbo, which was like $60 a game. And let's see what we get. So what I'll do here is I will show you guys first, and then I'll put a running tab down below what the value is. Hopefully I'll be able to get some comps of recent sold, and we'll go from there. Oh, all right. Okay, first one's an NES game right here. NES game, roll the ball. What do we get? Hopefully a high grade. All right, 9.0A seal. Now, damn, I was hoping for a higher grade on that one. Now, if you guys don't know, Wata grades the box on the scale of 1 through 10, and then they grade the scale of A++ is the highest, then A+, then A. But, I mean, still an NES game from, how was this, 1989? So, still, find that one sealed in the box. Very difficult. Roll the ball. Not a real popular game on NES, but still cool to have. So, and to be honest with you, I have no idea what's in this box. I totally forgot what I submitted. I think there's maybe 1 or 2 Game Boy games or Game Boy Advance games in here. I don't know. All right. Wrong side. All right. This is the Wiz. This is the Wiz for Super Nintendo. I bought this off Instagram off somebody like a while back. I think for like $60, brand new sealed. But what do we get? 9.0, A+. All right. Yeah, I didn't expect this to get a super high grade. I was expecting maybe a 9.0 or 9.2, so I'm happy with that. But all right, cool game. What do we got next here? Alright. I don't know what this is, but I'll show you guys first. Alright, what do we got here? Tales of Fantasia. Oh, 7.5 A+. Ah, crap. Damn, that box is an indentation here in the corner. Ugh. Yeah, we got a 7.5. Not happy with that. But, I mean, I get it. I mean, there's the indentation here in the bottom corner. So, damn. So hoping for a lot higher grade on that one, but what are you going to do? All right. Show you guys first. I think this is Yu-Gi-Oh! Hopefully this is a high grade on this one. Please be high grade. Ah, an 8.0. Damn it. A+, 8.0. I was hoping for 9.0 or higher in this one. This is one that you don't really see graded that often. The Yu-Gi-Oh! This is the World Championship from 2004. Game Boy Advance. Got an 8.0 on the box. Man, I don't see any big... I mean, corners are a little ding, but I don't see any big indentations or anything like that. Man, they're looks like they're grading harder on these Game Boy Advances, but 8.0, A+, I'll take that. Man, I'm worried about the rest of this now because we're not going the right direction. Started out in the 9s, now we're down to the 7 and 8s. All right, what we got here? This is Monopoly for Sega Genesis. I got a big lot of these off a local reseller here. You get a storage unit, got a whole bunch of these. I only paid a couple bucks a piece, so what do we get here? 9.4 A+. Okay. I'm happy with that. Monopoly, Sega Genesis, 9.4 A+. This is for the seal. I will take that. I think I only maybe 4 or 5 bucks a piece on these, so I think I bought 7 or 8 of them at the time. So this one right here will make my money back. Plus everything else I already got. So everything else, I already sold off all the other stuff I got from him. All right. This is Flash for the Game Boy Advance. Come on, give me a high grade. I sent this in because they're coming out in the movie next year. And give me a high grade. Flash A+ in the seal and 8.5. Man, they grade these Game Boy Advance game boxes tough. All right. And do we have any left? Oh, there's 2 left. Man, I don't know what else is in this box. Maybe some PS1 stuff. Oh, okay. I think this is Final Fantasy Anthologies, if I'm not mistaken. What do we get grade-wise? Show you guys here. And whoa, a 9.8 A seal? Holy hell. I was not expecting that. 9.8 A seal. Wow. I think I bought this off a local collector here. I think I paid a little over 100 bucks for it. Maybe 120 bucks, something like that. But 9.8 A seal. Wow. All right. I am super happy about that one here. So, was not expecting that. Was it the last one? Oh, okay, that was the last one, man. So, you know, just recap here. Was hoping for a lot more, a lot better than that one, but got a 7.5. Yu-Gi-Oh! Right here, we got an 8.0, so this one still may have some good value still to it. Flash, I was hoping for a 9.0 or higher, and that one got an 8.5 on the box. So, The Wiz on Super Nintendo, got a 9.0 on that one. Rollerball for NES. I love anything NES, so 9.0. Happy with that. Now, Monopoly, a 9.4 on the Sega Genesis, so that's cool. I'll take that. And this one here, Final Fantasy Anthology, a 9.8 A seal. So, yeah, I am really happy about that. Yeah, I am super happy. So, guys, please make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to the channel. We do a lot of unboxing content, graded comic books, graded VHS, graded video games. You know, check out my other Wata unboxing. I'll put the link to it right here. Until next time, guys.